Alright, let's see what's going on with that screen. Good voltage at the battery. Fuses are all good. Let's unbolt this cover and see what's going on this screen. Well, we got voltage going to it. Got power and ground going to it. That's a sealed unit too. Wonder what kind of small fortune that's going to cost us. Got a brand new screen. That was $1,400. Let's put this in and hopefully it fixes our problem. Check that out. It lit up. That's a good sign. All right.
Yes.
Huh, 2,600 hours. So he lied on the hours. He said it had like 1,700. Now his gauges look nice. Let's see. Oh, there's the backup camera. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, right when I click reverse. Now I can see what's behind me. That's sweet. Got a full tank of diesel now. Alright, we're happening now. Let's try to get this front door attached. Gonna have to close it. Got your wrench?
Yep.
Got her?
Got it. Got it.
Look tight.
Yeah.
I wonder if the door opens now. Oh, it opens.
Open.
Does the swing open?
Yeah.
That kind of works. Is that as far as that opens?
Kind of looks like it might be.
Huh.
Doesn't seem like it goes very far.
No. I mean, I guess that's what it is.
It's right. Oh, it's hitting on this maybe so.
No, the hinges don't want it to go further than that. Probably because it'll hit this connector and stuff. Cool. That'll keep some snow off you, huh?
Yeah, well.
Let's grab some Windex, see if we can clean this glass up. I don't think that key goes for the door. Oh, no, it does.
That's cool.
Oh, it is cool. Keep kids out of there and stuff.
Yeah.
That'll work. All right. Cool. Guessing this one goes here. And this one probably goes here. Let's see if that works. Oh. Must be where you fill up the washer fluid. That's an interesting place for that. I'm assuming that's where the washer fluid goes. Where is the switch? Oh, right here. I probably got a key. No. Maybe running. Wiper is not working. Interesting. I think this dummy plug right here needs to be plugged into that connector for the windshield wiper and stuff to work. So let's get that swapped over. Okay, all I did was unplug the dummy plug and plug that into there. Let's see if it works. There we go. Ha! That's neat. Well, pump sounds good. I just don't think there's fluid in there. Yep, we're gonna fill that with fluid. Ah, that's pretty cool. It's the little things in life. This thing came with a window washer. That's kind of the only way I could figure out to get it up in the air. All right, she's in. Let's get out of here. All right, I got this little plate here for the back. First reasonable thing that I've had to purchase, it was only 20 bucks. Let's get that on. There we go.